Let's add our player object to the scene now. So you're going to go ahead and open the artwork panel. You'll drag, there is something that's a bird, and so that's what I've picked. You can drag it onto the scene. You're going to call it player. It's a lot easier to know what that is in the programming area if you call it player. Again, solid is off. You're going to turn physics on. You're going to set gravity on. That's the thing that's going to be constantly pulling you towards the bottom of the screen. Very important for the game mechanic. You're going to give it a stay in frame behavior, right? So you select the object, give it stay in frame. You can obviously test, see what happens if you don't give it stay in frame. Not a great experience. Your game won't work so well. And the reaction when it hits the edge of the frame should be stop. Go ahead and experiment with the other things and see what happens. And you can give it a little bit of padding. That just means it'll sort of stop above the edge a little bit. Again, it's kind of an aesthetic thing. So you'll do that. And then you're going to add a button. And you're going to go into interface and text through the plus here. And you'll see the option of adding a button. You'll drag it on. And the button can be named, I called it flap button. Pretty obvious. Tap to flap. Again, solid is off. You can put in the text box here a flap with an exclamation point. And the button now instructs you to flap. And then create a new event over here. And the code says when the flap button sensing touchdown, right? Touchdown, do player physics add force up 60 newtons. And if you don't know what a newton is, it's not a fig newton, it's a measure of force. Look it up on Wikipedia. So you can title the event as well in your event manager, tap to flap. Then go ahead and press play on your scene, and you should see that when you tap, your little bird should be kind of going up and coming back down. So go ahead and have fun adding your player into our scene.